Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this quick tutorial I am going to show you how you can use this combine function to add two objects or to subtract two different objects. Suppose we have these two objects. Here this one pipe which is passing through this base plate. But these two objects are intersecting with each other or overlapping with each other. As you can see, there is no groove for this pipe. We want to subtract this pipe from this base plate. For that, we want to use this combine function. To do so, select this combine function and this small menu will appear. And here you can also read the instruction, what you have to do or what does this each icon mean. So here select a target object. So first we will select a target object. Then you have two options. Either you can select this one, so it means it is used to merge two bodies, or this one, this cutter tool, it is used to cut two bodies. So we want to subtract two bodies or cut two bodies, so we will select this cutter tool. Then we need to select this second object. And here you can see now we have two objects. So this base plate has been split up into two bodies. Then with this one you can remove extra object. You don't need to, you can do it later, but you can do it over here. So let's see how it will work. Select this one, and when you will move your cursor, so it will show you in the pink color that if you will click over here, it will remove this body. So we want to remove this extra body. When you will click over here, and you will also see one of this solid will be removed. So I will come back over here and click over here, and it has been removed. So to deselect this combine function, either press escape or press right mouse button and move your mouse upward. So it will deselect. Now let's check these two, and here you can see the path for this pipe. So it means we have splitted up this body. Similarly, you can use this function to merge two bodies. It is pretty much straightforward. So select both of these bodies and select this combine function. It will merge these two bodies. Or you can do other way around. First select this combine function, then come over here, select your target object, then select this second one to merge this body, and select your second body. It will merge these two bodies. So that's how you can use this combine function to split or to merge two different bodies. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.